Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about how to structure your online business. In the previous video, we learned about the MSI model, the multiple streams of income model. In this video, we will learn how to structure your online business. Are you guys ready for it? As you can see it on the screen, I have given a structure of your online coaching business. First, you need to create a lead magnet. Now, the lead magnet is something where you can attract your customers to your online business. The lead magnet will have webinars, tutorial videos, live videos, blogs, and podcasts, and basically offer all these things for free. So, the lead magnet will help you to have more customers coming to your platform and register to your online business. Then I recommend all of you to create a concept course like this one, where I'm explaining you the concept of how to earn money online through multiple source of income, right? Create your multiple streams of income. So this concept course will have some videos related to the concept of your business. Say, for example, let's take an example of healthcare. Now you are in the healthcare domain and you help people to lose weight. So in this concept course, you can make videos based on how to lose weight, what are the different exercises required to lose weight, and so on and so forth. Right? This course can be at a very nominal price because this is just a fundamental course or a concept course that you are giving to your clients either free of cost or at a nominal price. Generally, what I recommend is when you create an online business, it is more about giving than what you're taking from the client. If you take one, give four. So basically, the more you give, the more you will get clients. All right. So remember this always. So after this concept course, you need to design your tripwire. Tripwire is nothing but a course where uh, your clients will take some actions on it, right? Let us see what all this course will have. So it can have a basic foundation course, the introduction to your online business. Then you can explain the building blocks of freedom-based business model, right? How this online business can help you to make money online with freedom. As I explained it to you earlier, that you need not have office, you need not have a manpower, or even say you are not dependent on anyone uh, to do this business. Explain it in detail, and the foundation needs to be very strong. If you don't make the foundation strong, whatever structure or systems that you will build will be weak, right? So make the foundation strong. Then in the Tripwire course, you explain the four skills to master this game, right? Then come towards the concept of it. The concept will first have goal setting. Without any goal, you cannot do any work. You need to define your goal. Unless and until you do not define your goal, it is very difficult to take your business from zero to wherever you want to reach. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to tell you, right? Take a very simple example. You with your friends plan to go on a vacation. If you don't decide where you want to go, it is not possible to reach to the destination. So it is as simple as you need to decide your destination first, where you have to reach. And so you need to have your goals set, your mission and vision needs to be very clear. How you're going to achieve that goal is more important. Next is niche skill identification. This is most important because unless and until you do not figure out your niche skill, uh, it is very difficult to develop a course or a product to sell online. All right. So you need to first understand your niche skill. Then you have to understand your micro niche, and then you can design a product based on the niche skill that you selected. Let's take, for example, you are, as I told you, say, take an example of the healthcare, the health industry. You help people to lose weight. Okay. Now that is your expertise, that you help people to lose weight. But in under this skill, the sub skill can be you help women to lose weight post pregnancy. This is very niche subject. Why niche skills are required, and why you need to create your online courses based on a niche is because if everyone does generic, there'll be a chaos and disruption in the market. Everyone will do the same thing. But if you are an expert into a specific domain, then you become the subject matter expert, and you can have more and more clients coming onto your online course or your online business. Let's take another example, uh, coaching classes. So you are walking through a lane with your kid, and you see a board, coaching classes for all students, class 1st to 10th. You see the board and you move forward. You see another board mentioning maths coaching classes for standard ninth and 10th. Now, if your kid is in ninth or 10th standard and he wants uh, to learn mathematics, this is a very niche. The professor is expert in mathematics. So the niche is he's a teacher, he's a tutor, and his sub niche or the core niche is that he is teaching maths, and that too for a very specific target audience, which is ninth and 10th standard. So in this section, you will learn about the niche skill identification and what product or service you can sell based on your niche skill and your niche sub niche skills as well. Then based on that, you will also need to define your personal branding online, right? So for example, I call myself as freedompreneur. That is freedom entrepreneur, means entrepreneurship with freedom. I am not dependent on anyone to make money. I don't need any office. I don't need any employees. So I'm not worried about and dependent on anyone. After that, you need to also build your sales funnels, and you need various systems to build your online business, and that will make you a freedompreneur. Unless and until you don't have systems on place, you will not achieve freedom. The systems will run automatically 24/7, 365, giving you freedom. It is correctly and rightly said that systems work, people fail. So have your systems right on place. All right. So this is your Tripwire course. Then you need to develop a core product. The core product is nothing but an action course, all right, or an implementation course. Here, after the foundation course is done, so understand the flow. You first do the Freedompreneur Blueprint course, then you do the Freedompreneur Foundation course, and the third core product, which is known as the Freedompreneur Setup Challenge course, which is a 30 days setup challenge course, right? In this, you will learn how to set up all the systems. You will learn how to design your course. You will learn how to, have your first customer on board, everything, right? Primarily, this core product focuses on implementing and designing all the systems, your niche blueprints, your curriculum blueprints, and the courses, how to put the courses online, which kind of domains you require, how to connect the domains with each other, how to create a digital hub, and how to create your sales funnels, how to generate leads, etc., etc. So this is a implementation and action taking course which comes after the Freedompreneur Foundation course. Then the last or the top level product you need to create is Profit Maximizer. The Profit Maximizer is nothing but you can have one-to-one coachings directly with your customers who are in the Freedompreneur Setup Challenge. And after that, you can have them on the Profit Maximizer course and do a one-on-one with them and make some good money. Now, along with all these things, you can set up your affiliate business and start selling the affiliate products along with all these courses. Sounds great? This is how you create multiple streams of income. Doesn't matter if it is a weekday or a weekend, it's a holiday or a forced holiday. You will still make money online and your business is running online because you have implemented all the systems. I hope you have understood so far. Now, let us go to the next concept of this business model and understand how to develop an ecosystem. After watching this video, I want you to comment below your takeaways, what you learned from this video, and whether you are ready to take the next step and ready to become a freedompreneur. Comment below. Thank you.